The University of New England is opening a new exhibit that explores a deep connection between art and the sciences. Our Pearl Small takes us there and explores how the two mesh together.
The title of the show really kind of thinks back to how we can access that spark of life in all different forms.
The University of New England's Spark of Life exhibit started with a conventional view on life through a scientific lens. It was inspired by images from the university's histology lab, but gallery director Hilary Irons says the point of the exhibit is to use those images simply as a starting point.
We have 3 contemporary artists who are working with themes that relate back to microscopic imaging.
Irons selected artists to contribute to the exhibit who have created work that can play to the university's strengths in the sciences. The work of Jackie Brown, Carter Shappy, and Meg Brown Payson is all abstract, but jumps in and out of having scientific references.
So this work is a site-specific installation by sculptor Jackie Brown. So the way that she's working really kind of refers back in a sense to neuronal structures, but in a very open-ended way.
Irons says the university has a recognized neurology department, and this piece pays an ode to that. But none of the pieces are meant to be an illustration of any specific thing. Interpretations are meant to be unique to the viewer and thought-provoking.
Everything that we show here really kind of shows how visual thinking is a skill that can be acquired. And
knowing the main audience the exhibit appeals to is students, Irons hopes to inspire that thought while also showing the impact of bringing together 2 subjects that might not be traditionally intertwined.
The show is designed to connect people interested in science and interested in art.
Research, like a study that was done at the University of Wisconsin, has shown that when art is used to convey science in some way, it can elicit human emotion and be taken more seriously than the scientific fact alone.
And in exhibitions like this, students are really presented with an example of how creativity functions in so many different ways, and artists and scientists can work together to solve some of the most pressing problems that are facing our planet today.
In Portland, Pearl Small, News Center, Maine.
The exhibit is still open to the public, and there will be a panel discussion with the artists on Friday afternoon.